Hi, this is Ardit, your instructor. I would like to wholeheartedly welcome you to this course and wholeheartedly wish you success with Python. Now, in this lecture, I'll give you an introduction to the course and quickly mention the content the course covers and what goals you can achieve by taking this course. So let's start with the content. What does the course cover? Well, the theme of the course is automation, but that's just the theme. The hidden purpose of the course is to make you a master of Python by learning to automate everything that is possible to be automated. So in this course, you will master programming and create Python programs which can do batch automation of different operations, which would normally take days to do manually. You will create programs that send SMS messages in batch, access the browser automatically, and click and get data from websites. Of course, everything via Python, so Python will do all that. And send email to hundreds of email contacts, attaching files for each email, all with a click of a button of your script. And it will be generating and converting PDF files, working with APIs, building chatbots, and many more. Everything can be automated with Python. You will even learn some of the most modern Python tools that have come out in the last few months, which take Python to a new level, really. So by the end of the course, you'll surely be a decent Python programmer that can program just anything. One thing you need to know is that the course does not cover Python basics, and this was also mentioned in the course descriptions. So I assume you know Python basics, which is variables, strings, numbers, lists, dictionaries, tuples, functions, conditionals, and loops. If you know this, you're fine, you're ready to take this course. If not, then you should take a course on Python basics first. I have a free Python basics course on my website, Python How, at this link. There are no distracting ads on the website or in the videos, so you'll focus on Python and learn the basics if you don't know already. So how do you take this course? Well, the videos are screencast videos, so I show you the screen while I code on my code editor, and each video covers one Python program. So you are supposed to write the code on your editor along me while pausing the video as you wish. But I do encourage you to experiment with the code and not simply rewrite what I write in the video. So try to change something in the code, run it again to see how the output changes, try to improve it further, make it better than my code, and that will immensely help your learning. But don't worry, because even if you don't experiment with the code, in those videos, you'll still get a ton of exercises which will not let you just sit and watch the videos. So often I show you how to write a program on video, but then I give you an exercise after that where you write a similar program using the concepts that you learned in the previous videos. And of course, you'll be able to compare your solution with mine afterwards. If you want to create your GitHub portfolio, so GitHub, as you may know, is a cloud-based repository where you can upload your code and others can see your code and use it. So you're free to publish these programs on GitHub, but I do recommend that you change something in the programs before you upload them. That's up to you though, it's just a recommendation. If you get stuck, and you'll probably do, every programmer does, you can just do a Google search or Stack Overflow search, and that should have the answer of your problems. If not, you can also search in the Q&A forum inside the course, and if your search doesn't find anything, then feel free to ask a question in the Q&A. And you can also use our Discord server, where you'll always find a very helpful community being online 24/7, so you are completely covered in case of issues with your code. Lastly, about the tools we will use, we will talk about that in the next video, so don't miss the next video, please. I'll show you the editor that I suggest you to use for this course, even though you're free to use your favorite editor if you like, so the code will work the same. So that's an overview about the course. Let's set up the editor in the next video, and then we start coding afterwards. See you.